their own bedsit sort of thing.
Yeah.
Room. So all I'm just saying is, there's that kind of potential market out there.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, if that's something you can do, then yeah, we'd be definitely interested in that.
Okay.
But yeah, we would just sort of focus on trying to take it over as soon as possible. So obviously you can get your rent coming in.
Yeah, no, I want to take it over as soon as possible, but I think the bottom line is I wanted to make sure that the HMO was sorted, because there's no point in me signing it if the HMO doesn't get sorted properly.
Yeah, exactly.
Because then I'm wasting your time, you're wasting my time. So that's that thing. I was going through the agreement. It's saying that you can give, after a year, you can give 6 months notice, and after a year, I can give 6 months notice.
Yeah.
That's probably a bit on the short side for me, because if you're doing a 5-year term, if you're doing a 5-year term, I mean, is that what you got with your other agreements with the other people?
Yeah, I mean, but it's always negotiable. If you wanted us to increase that to 12 months.
No, you got it 12, what? Well, I was going to say, what about if you say after 24 months you gave 6 months notice, how does that work? So then that makes it halfway through the 5-year term.
Yeah, I mean, I'd be happy to get that amended.
Okay. So, now what I just need to understand is, so basically I sign this, you sign this.
Yeah.
Then once it's signed, you've got a target date of the 1st of November.
Yeah.
Which, on the assumption, there's no reason why I shouldn't get signed off on the 21st. So provided I've got a verbal short, that's the case, then we can get the ball rolling. So I think we could still hit, you take it over on the 1st of November, but obviously...
The first rent payment was going to be on the 1st of November. So ideally we'd try and take that on 2 weeks before.
You take it on 2 weeks before, I see. So if that doesn't run, because obviously the whole thing is we're running closer to Christmas now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Do you think you're going to get it filled before Christmas?
Hopefully, yeah. I mean, it's a tougher market before Christmas.
It is.
Yeah, but obviously we've got various ways of getting tenants.
If I get that, so I need to get that printed off, hard copy sent back to you, yeah?
Yeah, or we can just scan it if it's easier.
Okay, you can scan it, send it across, you sign it, initial it and scan it.
Yeah.
So if I get that back to you today, are you happy with that?
Yeah, I'm pretty much happy with that. I'd just call my solicitors just to read through it again. And then as soon as he's happy with it, I'll just sign it off.
The only other thing within that 5 years, can we review any potential rent you pay me if you've had an increase in rent revenue, i.e. that the market's gone up, say after 3 years or 2.5 years?
How would you mean, sort of? Because we normally would do that at the end of the term.
So you get an average of $550 a room or so. Yeah. Suddenly the market's now $600 a room. That's say like a 10% increase. I'm not saying this, but do you have any mechanism in there whereby potentially, because obviously over 5 years your costs go up, the rents go up and so on and so forth.
Yeah.
It might be the overflooded market.
Yeah, the market might improve a lot, and then we might say for example the market improves a lot, and you're basically saying we could get like £100 extra a room sort of thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, we don't actually have like a mechanism in place for that, and like with previous deals that we've done, we normally just sort of renegotiate at the end of the term.
Okay, well, I think I'm happy with the 5-year term as far as I'm concerned, because your money's all coming out up front, you've got to spend the money front. So if you get more money off the back of it, then that's fine.